but George isn't at home. Please leave a message at the beep. I must be out, or I'd pick up the phone. Where could I be? Believe it or not, I'm not home.
It's funny, George. Sometimes you don't know how you're really feeling about something until a person like you comes along and articulates it so perfectly.
Articulate.
Oh. Car.
Huh? What?
Car.
Live?
Live?
Live.
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 Oh, right. No. Good.
No.
Oh, yeah! Oh. All right. George, Marla.
George, Jerry, Stacy.
Stacy.
Jerry.
George, Stacy.
Stacy.
George.
Jerry. Marla. Stacy.
Newman. Jerry. Lane. George. Newman. Jerry. Kramer. Watley. Newman. Jambalaya. Are we finished?
Done.